The secret to hotel sparkle dishes at home. Have you ever eaten at a restaurant and noticed that the glasses are so clear they almost disappear? That the plates have a brightness that your dishes at home never quite reach, no matter how carefully you wash them? That is not accident. That is not better equipment. That is knowledge. Specific, simple, actionable knowledge that professional kitchens apply every single day, and that nobody has ever thought to share with the people washing dishes at home. Until today. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the difference between dull dishes and hotel sparkle dishes is not what you are washing with, it is what you know. The quiet disappointment of home dishwashing. Let me describe something that happens in almost every home that has a dishwasher and in many that do not. You run a wash cycle. You open the door and pull out a glass. You hold it up to the light to check it is clean. And there it is, the cloudy film, the watermarks running vertically down the sides. The mineral deposits around the base that never fully shift, regardless of how much rinse aid you add, or how expensive the detergent tablet you used. The glass is clean in the functional sense, bacteria-free and soap-free, but it does not sparkle. It does not have that clarity that makes a glass look like it was just taken from a hotel cabinet. The root cause: hard water, and what it actually does. Before the solutions, the understanding. Because every sparkle secret we cover today flows from understanding one fundamental problem: hard water. Hard water is water with a high concentration of dissolved minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium, that enter the water supply as it passes through limestone and chalk deposits in the ground. Depending on where you live, your tap water may be moderately or severely hard, and the difference in dishwashing results between hard and soft water areas is dramatic and immediate. Secret number 1, the rinse aid replacement that actually works. Fill your dishwasher's rinse aid compartment with plain white vinegar instead of commercial rinse aid. The first wash cycle, using vinegar as rinse aid, will produce noticeably clearer results than your previous cycle. By the third or fourth cycle, glasses that have been hazy for months will have a clarity that you may not have seen since they were new. For hand washing, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to your rinse water as the final rinse before air drying. The smell of vinegar disappears completely as dishes dry. What remains is a surface that is genuinely clean at a chemical level rather than merely rinsed. Secret number 2, the baking soda boost. The home equivalent is baking soda, and its effect when added to a dishwasher cycle is immediately and consistently noticeable. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda directly to the bottom of your dishwasher drum before running a cycle. For hand washing, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda into your washing up water along with your dish soap. The combination of vinegar as rinse aid and baking soda in the wash cycle represents the complete 2-stage approach professional kitchens apply. It produces results on home dishwashing that are genuinely comparable to commercial kitchen standards. Secret number 3, the drying method that changes everything. Water spots and mineral deposits only form when water is allowed to dry on dish surfaces. If water is removed from dish surfaces before it dries, no deposits can form. This is why professional kitchens hand dry everything immediately after washing. Dry immediately after washing with a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth using circular polishing motions rather than a simple wipe. Secret number 4, the weekly sparkle reset. Fill your sink or a large basin with equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Submerge your glassware completely and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, remove each glass, rinse briefly with clean water, and dry immediately with a microfiber cloth using circular polishing motions. The moment of realization. The hotels and restaurants achieving this result are not using anything magical or expensive or unavailable. They are applying knowledge, the knowledge that hard water leaves mineral deposits, that acid dissolves those deposits, and that immediate drying prevents new ones forming. Knowledge that you now have. Applied with white vinegar, baking soda, and a microfiber cloth that together cost less than a single bottle of premium rinse aid. The secret to hotel sparkle dishes was never out of reach. It was just waiting for someone to explain what the sparkle actually is and how simply it can be yours. Now you know. Go make your dishes shine. If this finally explained why your dishes never quite reached that sparkle and gave you the exact method to change it, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so kitchen secrets like this always reach you first. Share it with someone whose glassware deserves to catch the light the way it was always meant to. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.